So this is the Tableau CRM Analytics Studio. So as you can see, in all items we have apps, dashboards, stories, lenses, data sets, and templates. So let's go for like apps. Okay, so already we have a lot of apps here. So let's say we create an app. So we have two options to create an app. One is by creating a blank app or by creating like recommended templates. And there are a lot of templates. We just have to, let's say we want to do something like customer analytics insights. Okay, so we will just select the template, continue, then it will show you like how it's gonna show like recipe, what are the recipes and activities insights dashboard, opportunities insights dashboard, like the various dashboards included uh, in the template. So once we continue, okay, 1 second. Yeah, so like it will just show like yeah, looks good, and we can go for next. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna go back from that. So let's say we want to create our own template. So how to do that? I already created a demo app already, a small demo app. We have a simple account data set by creating a simple connection with the local uh, account object, and then creating a data flow, like, and then using that we created a data set called account data set here. Okay, so I have already created a normal dashboard. So we are gonna just include this normal dashboard within the template app, and then we are gonna package it. So how to do that? Let's see. So next thing is we are gonna go to Workbench. So here we are gonna log in with Salesforce in the org, which we already have that app. So we are gonna go for the REST Explorer. Okay. So basically, how to find TCRM template apps, or how to find the folder in which all the Analytics Studio files are there. So we just have to go for like wave and execute. Okay, so we have got like data connector types, data flow jobs, data sets, folders. So folders are different folders. You can say it's a different name for apps. All the apps we see. So we are gonna select on folders. So now let's open it. So we have TCRM apps, shared app, all the apps in that specific org. We can see that here. So we are gonna open the TCRM template TCRM app. So we have a lot of details regarding the TCRM app. So the one thing only we need is the uh, ID. Okay. So we are gonna copy it. So we are gonna write a small code like this, like parenthesis, space, like enter folder source and the ID, and then we are gonna copy this ID, the one we copied for the TCRM template app. Then we are gonna go back to the workbench. Okay, now let's go back to wave. Now post, and then we are gonna go to templates. Okay, templates. Okay, now we are gonna go to post here. Yeah, so now we are gonna copy this whole thing and paste it here in the request. So once we execute this, we are gonna see TCRM app as a template here. So you can see we don't have it now. So once let me execute this, and then we can see it here. Okay, it will take a few. Yeah, it will take a few minutes, a few seconds. Yeah. Now let's go to get and execute the same source, like same path, templates, and then yeah, as you can see, we are now have TCRM app as a template here. Now let's refresh the org page also. So now let's check, do we have it here or not. So one second, let me just show. So you can see template use TCRM app 1.0. So it's already showing here. So all items, and you can see here TCRM app. So now it's a template, and the source app is TCRM app as usual. Okay. So we have it now here. So the next thing is like how to package it. So we have managed packages, like package manager, I think. One second. Okay, yeah, it will take a few seconds to open. We have to create a package out of it, just to, if we want to install it in a different org, because that's the reason we are creating a TCRM template app, so that we can use the same template in different orgs if we fulfill all the requirements of the data sets and the data flows. Like if we have the required objects used in that TCRM template app, then we can install it and use it, and we don't have to create it again like from scratch again. Yeah, we don't have to repeat it everything. So now let's go for new packages. Okay, package name TCRM template app. Yeah. Okay, so custom link, save. Okay, so now we are gonna add some components, okay, to the package. As you can see, we have analytics dashboard, analytics data set, metadata, lanes, recipe. So we're gonna choose an analytics template. So we already have that, and we are gonna add it to the package. So we are just gonna go to upload. Uh, okay, so let's just write Spring 2021. Release notes, none. Okay, we don't need that. What's the number? It's 1.0. So password we don't need. Package requirements, no need to mention it. Okay, object requirements we can mention it, but you don't know if the right it. We don't need it right now, so we are just gonna go upload. Yeah, yeah, we can give any version name or version number we want, but as it's version 1.0, you saw that. So yeah, your upload is your package is now available for install using installation URL below to publish an app exchange. If you want to publish an app exchange, yeah, so we can also publish it on app exchange if you want. So the next thing is we are gonna get an email. So we from that the email using the email we can easily, we'll get a URL for the like in the email. So installation URL. Also we have it here, the installation URL here also. We can copy it and use it like for a different org. So copy link. Let me open it in a new browser. Okay, so if we go for like this, okay. So yeah, now like I cannot install it right now in any other org, but yeah, that's the we can just install it like any other package or any other app from app exchange or a component like that. It's simple. You just, it's a simple installation, that's all. So that's a big advantage we are gonna get if we create a template app. Like we don't have to do everything from scratch, like creating the data flows, recipes, lenses, store like dashboards and all everything. We can just create a template and use it as required in different orgs, and it saves us time. It saves the deployment of the TCRM in the clients, or it saves a lot of time in regards to that. So yeah, that's what was the TCRM, like that's what was the usage of the TCRM template app. So thank you, and yeah, goodbye.